Good morning, number 14. It's time to wake up. Your package is waiting for you downstairs.
I really need to take a shower. Wait, you have to shower in water? I'm not gonna do that. Shower 7.8 out of 10, too much water. I will go for the deodorant shower. 10 out of 10, no water, an absolute masterpiece. Now what am I going to wear today? This one is a bit too washed up. I feel this one is a bit too subtle. Nope, not after season 8. Oh, this is beautiful. It has just the right amount of pop culture on it. It's like my whole personality is on that shirt. Ah, there it is. Let's see what's inside of it. It appears to be a game of some sort. Ah, a letter from the company. Hello Game Critic / reviewer number 14. I want a review of this game uploaded before 8 o'clock. Besides the game, the publisher gave you and us a little thank you in advance for the 100% honest and totally accurate review you're going to write. So make sure to do that. Okay, sounds fair. So let's see that little thank you. Yep, this will definitely not alter my opinion on this game whatsoever. Let's put it in there so it can download while I make myself some breakfast. Shit, tits, ass, fuck. Isn't there an easy mode for this? Christ. Big rigs, number 9, right to hell.
Jay Books Found back here with Gabe Geller, and we're here to talk about the do's and don'ts of cooking with wine. So Gabe, give us a do.
Well, do cook with wine.
There you go.
Of course.
Fuck. Shit. Fuck. Shit. Oh. Why? I really hope the neighbors didn't call the fire department like last time. Making food is like the Dark Souls of basic human skills. Hey, reviewer number 2 uploaded a new video.
Chris's platforming and puzzles are overly simple, but several times I found myself stuck on a puzzle. Its levels are linear to a fault. It's confusing to move through, and the way to progress isn't always clear.
Oh god, will I ever be able to reach that level of contradicting myself within a 3-minute time frame? Or be as good at video games as reviewer number 3? Or have a unique writing style like the top reviewers on the major sites?
Makes you feel eerily like Batman. The player really feel like Batman. Could not look or feel more Batman. Made us feel like we were feel like Batman.
Arkham Asylum makes you feel like you're Batman.
The game must be done downloading. Let's clean up the dishes. Oh fuck. Too much water, that's just too much water. I can't handle that amount of water. Come to think of it, I needed new plates, cups and utensils anyway. Crisis averted, as they say. Ah, the game is done getting sucked from the cloud and into my console, or however that works. Let's put on the reviewer gear. No, I'm not an alcoholic. It's past 10 AM and this is what critics do. Now hit the record button so I can review this piece of media like a well-respected critic. After spending countless hours getting past the first area, I feel like I know this game inside and out, and I feel confident in myself I can write a review that encapsulates the entire game, even though I haven't seen 90% of it. By number 14. Hello? Hello, number 14. Oh, hi mom. I hope I'm not interrupting something important. Well, actually I was about to start writing a review. You are busy with that video game nonsense? Well, yes, but it's not nonsense. But it is. And do you still make those horrendous lists about 10 things video game related? Yes, I do, and a lot of people watch those videos and like those kinds of videos, so... Well, it's good to see you're helping the mentally challenged with counting to 10. Why won't you get a real job like your brother and make something of yourself? It's not like your job is super important. People make reviews for free, and I don't think you... Why did you call, Mom? Oh, I totally forgot why. Don't bring anything you bake to the family brunch Sunday. Your last culinary endeavor didn't go down so well. Until it did, thanks to the diarrhea it gave us. So don't bring anything self-made, just get something from the store. Okay. I will see you Sunday, find another job, bye-bye, I tolerate you, kinda. What is she on about? People rely on my review so they don't waste money on a bad game. I am the last line of defense that prevents people from buying terrible games like God Hand and Nier. The comments under my last video will reflect this. You suck, how can you dislike a game that I like? You totally missed the point the game was trying to make. How can you call yourself a critic? Were you dropped as a child? You only gave this perfect 10 out of 10 game a 9 out of 10. Chill. I stopped listening to this guy after he said Minesweeper is bad. No, you're... What was it what Alana Pierce said?
Writers write things for their peers rather than for the audience. While that still means they're being honest, it does mean that we have all of these reviewers who, in the case of The Last of Us, are buying into high art because they're very passionate about the games industry and very passionate about storytelling in video games. That is their perspective. Yes, I'm not stupid. They just didn't get it. I decide what high art is and what isn't, and they are just nitpicking and biased. I win. Bye bye. What time is it? Oh snap, I need to start writing the review now or I'll be too late. Today I'm gonna review Video Game. The game makes you really feel like you're the main character. The combat is tough as nails and I honestly don't know if casuals will be able to beat this game.
The puzzles have far-fetched solutions that no one with an IQ under 200 will be able to solve. The game feels sluggish and hard to control. There were various instances where the game was unresponsive and unplayable. Halfway through my playing session, the game turned from a 3D action game into an old school tough 2D platformer that will test even the most seasoned players. I rate video game at 10 out of 10. It has a little something for everyone. Finally done with the review, so let's relax a little. Hello? Hello, number 14. Number 11 didn't upload their review due to some weak excuse like family member dying or something like that. So now we don't have a review of Not Alive Cells, meaning we lose viewers to other sites that do have to review. And we don't want that, do we? No, sir. So you have to make one now and put it online before this day is over. But I've never played the game and I simply can't make a review in such a short time. I suggest you look up someone else's review and get how to put this in a non-incriminating way. Get inspired by it. You mean plagiarize? I can't do that. You make that review or you're fired. Bit of advice, get inspired by a small creator. That way there's a smaller chance someone will recognize the similarities. Now off you go. Good night, good luck. I look forward to the Paracels review. Ciao. I guess I don't have much of a choice, do I?
What's going on, everyone? Today, we're going to be taking a look at Dead Cells.
Dead Cells is on another plane of good. It's actually so good I would jeopardize my entire career for it.
It left me so speechless.
And I'll be coming back to it years later because it's that awesome of a game.
Damn good.
The most unique aspect of decomposing cells is how the game plays. It's like a dance going through levels at ludicrous speed.
It's like a dance when you're going through levels at breakneck speeds.
It's betting on my future as a game critic good. It's available on almost every platform. Smart fridges, TI-84 graphics calculators and dialysis machines. Druk knop, druk knop, druk.